Tá Thír Eoghain ó Chundaigh Ó'Gallchóir go háirithe, Noel Ó'Gallchóir, Noel Johnny Hen, mar as Thír Eoghain. I had the privilege, I have to say, of being taught Irish at one stage by Noel's father. I don't think he even knows that, but when I was working as a canara in Loughnure, the man who was art washer at the time got Johnny Hen over to teach the cannery a bit of Irish, and it was they were some of the most fabulous classes I've ever had. So the aithne agumara ahar tá sé anseo anocht le Aithriseoireacht dhéanú agus tá sé hain tá sé gulachar hain a láthair anseo anocht agus an scéal an shdíh. Noel Johnny Hen.
Oh!
Yes, Marie. Like we should part on Scór. I took part in the final of Scór Sinsear in the National Stadium in Dublin. When I was young, and I'm dara led about hÉireann on the 2nd of May 1981, a long time ago. I recited a poem written by Pádraig Ó Beirn from mBaile in Cliath. He spent a lot of his time in America, and he was very involved in the Gaelic revival at the end of the 19th and early 20th century. He wrote this poem about the return of Red Hugh O'Donnell, O'Donnell, back to Donegal, and he describes the joy and the hopes of the people of Donegal because had been in captivity in Dublin Castle for the past 5 years. So, Pilleadh Aoidh Ruaidh dTiarna. Is líonta anocht a tá Caisleán is lonra ga fonnag ó hollow ó díal. Í forsin an fion Níl chola na meisce ag moscail bach ali na sean-taobhan crían. Tá sláinte a lálam ag trísír tréine do cheanfort a lúchi tá losar a ríist. A haar maidí na mhaire le hírí na gréine bé mostar ní smó an léana úd híos. Fea, cheanne Tanwaya har war let the chire, had chartery luckler a bualu the shee. And to shart, stain spirit in none of the fear, is a musket the Craobh, ta forcing a cree. Fair, to the chinche mollaga slave, ag fregger the vogre shave what is caw. He jarred a lasso. Bay peaky gus clever. Nis jerrig a fall. Ed gogu nis chaw. Glor a hir honel. La shapeshug and chor. Suas that con chaoga unvinger us all. A rail of a liacha o well in the sailor. Feel luhai anocht. Corgíbertar bhrón, na gunti an gaiúd, díú na spére, mar hartnaid rébu, sé húnas na leam. Na gunti guelche na líne giri, hara, tairú a rístas ar gam. Ní sia na bígi agus grúaman war bríche, tá dochas sa brisú. HÉireann go léir. In dhé, bhí an teanchúis, faoi néalta na híche. An mhaire bé bethúr airse na spére. An mhaire bé solas gal gréine ag sialú chethrátaí chonil a luscús an lí. Bé mílte far tréan réile na mhuile is í Ó'Gallchóir ag seorú faoi. O tari go topi, luia tashigas waki, ó chocad ó líonta ar fod go ngáil. Tá trom híos le díal ag an sean-taobhan Márta, a ginú an a gadaí is a tógú más fáil. Is fada a fardaí go fuide a fannacht, le pilú ar an réil ó chartar a Cliath. Chun Pilleadh Aoidh Ruaidh is chun Sinsear do cheamacht, le Thír ar bliain mas talach a dhia. Na farigi, tá Craobh sean Sinsear ag Cliath an díolta seo leabhar Bé fiúthaile hic ag gaffarigi chunil, agus des larab éid des a darán. Le chéile, bé faltart losúli, glán nitchid an bhfuil, a bhfuil Saxon ar tréin. A ré chun Sinsear a bhíli, tan cartar ar díú, agus íod as ar gan.